are you going?
I'm going to Tita's house.
Oh, Tita's house. Why? What is in there?
Party. Because I want to go party.
Oh, very good. And kami mag-a-attend ng party, guys. Hello. At iyan na makulit na bata. Talaga namang bibong-bibo. At yun ang mga kasama ko sa likuran. Ayan. Ayan ang mami ng makulit na bata. Ayan. Kopya. See you guys for one dish party. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be sharing with you, you see these flags. Actually there's a lot of flags now on the road in preparation for the 77th Independence Day of Pakistan, today 14th of August. And welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you the one dish party that I am going to celebrate with my Filipino fellow Pakistani wife here in Karachi City. So stay tuned until the end, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video that I am going to upload very soon. From Gulshan University Road, these are the roads that we are crossing. I'm not really sure about this place. Our destination is going to Amir Road. As I always mention in my videos about Karachi, Karachi is the biggest city in Pakistan, or the largest city in Pakistan. This is also their capital, or the capital of Pakistan before Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan now. So if you notice in this road, it's quite free from traffic and not so much crowded. But after this will be the road, and this much traffic or crowded the roads is. This is actually or basically happening when the place is near to the market or bazaars where people usually goes, and yeah, that is the reason why there's a lot of traffic. The reason also why it becomes so much crowded. And time to time, as we changing the roads, the scenario is the same, just like this. And one thing that you will be noticing here, most of the roads or side of the roads, you can see these vendors selling fruits, and mostly they are bananas and mangoes. Mangoes is the most available one, or most of the fruits that you can see around or all over Karachi City. Nowadays, since it's a mango season still, but soon it will be all finished. I mean, as season change, the fruits change as well. It is also very common here that most of the residential building, on the ground floor you can see their stores or their businesses. They are having businesses on the ground floor of the building, and rickshaw are very common, as well as public transport. This is a good transport actually, especially if you are just going to the places nearby. So we are here, or we are almost on the place where we are going to go, or to the house of my friend. I'm not just really sure which area, but we are going to search it using, of course, the Google Maps. This place is better than the other places. It's mostly a residential area. And yes, we are here now to our friend's place. And most of my friends are also or just arrived as well. Welcome to our vlog and join with us until the end. Thank you. Hello my dear. So papasok na kami sa bahay. Hello kulit. Ay! Hey, hello. Hey. Hello everyone! Hi! Ayan, nandito na po kami. Nandito na silang lahat. Ayan, maaga, himala. Himala, maaga sila yan. Oo. Nauna sila sa amin. Yan po ang aming mga food sa aming one dish party. Somebody's calling. Wow. Wow, sabaw. Wow, wow. Everything is wow. At ayan, part ng aming party, ayan o, mayroon kaming kangkong. Yeah, kangkong in Pakistan. Ayan, ang ganda ng kangkong.
Living of life, kangkongin malunggay.
Mga kangkong sa aming party, ayan. Ayan po, mayroon kaming malunggay. Ayan.
Lahat na yan.
And this, pansit. Hipon. Okay, this is a, I don't know, whatever is this. Ayan na sila, nagkakagulo sila. Welcome! Ayan. Happy birthday! Birthday, girls! Happy birthday to you! Ang cute naman ang cake. O, sige. O, may di, hawakan mo. O, hawakan mo din yung balon mo. O, ayan. O, doon na kayo. Pasok ang mga mamshi. Sino pala nag-selfie ka? Yan, may selfie kasi na. Ay, yung mama. Ay, di na kami. Happy birthday. Sobrang appreciate niya talaga. Thank you. Ito yung first niya na stop toy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Assalamualaikum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday. Kaya, Diyos ko po, nagkagulo na, ayan na. Nasaan na mga pagkain? Diba? Ha? Yan po my birthday, ayan. Ang isa sa my birthday. Video ba yan? No. Yan, wait. Ako naman daw. Sandali, anuin ko sa...
Okay, ang may birthday at ang aming vlogger. Okay, salohin mo. Okay, dahan-dahan. Wow! Ooh, sweet! Sana all.
Chocolate kasi.
Sana all!
Sana all! Hello everyone! So, we are here. We have a party. Ayan. We are on party. Kainan na. Oh. Ano to? Pasarapan ng pagkain. Ayan, busy sila sa... Ano yan? Rice?
Asan yung rice doon daw?
Oo nga, wala na yung space.
Kaya mo na, sunaksamay na lang kaya tayo.
Ano to? Lance, buksan mo nga. Wait. Ay, sarap. Ano to? Chicken karhay. Alugos. Mukhang masarap, ano?
Kasi parang ito yung palabok na ano din, palabok na noodles.
Huwag niyong kalimutan ang aking ano ha. Huwag niyong kalimutan ang pansit ko na spaghetti. Hindi niyo makakalimutan ang lasa niyan.
Mamaya yan.
Yan ang mga batang makukulit. Ayan o, tinan nyo. Tinan nyo na ang nangyari. Ayan, binuhat na. Ayan. Nagkagulo na po sila. At hindi na nila ako pinapansin. Hindi na po nila ako pinapansin kasi nga mga butong na yan o wala na. Hindi na magpapigil. Ayan. Yan po silang lahat. Talaga po sila ay, ano, mga busy po sila. That's my cooking. Ayan po, nagkakain. Hindi na po sila magkaintindihan.
Pag yung na ba kayo kasama yung pagkain? Ay, hindi pa. Hindi wala kayo eh.
Video na lang. Ayan, sa video na lang.
Ang food! Kahit ng bawas na!
Kitang-kita sa ano. Oo, lahat yan. Napicturean ko yan kanina. Ang aming only rice. Talagang maramihang kanin. Ayan o. Yan po ang aming rice. Nandito ang rice, guys. The rice is here. There, your rice is there. Tikman mo ang aking pansit, ha. Pansit na ano. Yun o. Yung dalawang nun ako nagluto nun. Walang walang masyadong, walang broccoli, walang pechay, kakayamot. Siguro gawa ng panahon. Sa Impia, sa iwan ko lang sa labas. Baka sa labas mayroon. You will be hungry if you don't eat. You know us. We are so... Yes, meriendal lunch. Lahat na. Dinner na rin. Buti nga, sabi ko, tayo nyo muna. Gusto na magsikain. Sabi ko, tayo nyo muna si Ariam. Padadating pa.
Labas ng bahay namin, nag-turn na raw na yung mga kami kaya napilito na po mag-iari.
Oo. Alam nyo, hindi, busog na ako sa pagtingin pa lang sa kanila. Habang tinitingnan ko sila, busog na ako. What's that? Hoy, kakanta daw si Alia. Special request ng mga anak, kakanta daw. Hey! Haba mga anak, oh.
Matulog na daw tayo lahat.
Dili mo yung mga anak, yung talagang tuwan-tuwa eh. All the songs I love to spend, every sha-la-la-la, every walk that shine, every sing-a-ling, ang naninira sa'yo, basta't mahal mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong ibilin, kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. Noxy Malasi, Sino ba sila? Sino ba sila? Pangbanda din eh.
Ang boses. Nakaano din. Nakaisa din. Sino ba sila?
Darating sa kung ako'y nanalangin kay Bathala naumo sa bakit umalis ang walang sinabi, bakit di siya lumawat kahit konti, bakit di ba ikaw kaya nakakablan sa tapuan ni Bathala ay inasalan na di maintindihan tumingin kung saan sinubukan kong lumaksa.
Dahil sa isang lang, wala kang alam yan.
Hindi ko nga yan lang eh.
Nung ako'y lahat ay sa iyong
Braso de Mercedes.
Yes, wait.
Cut the cake. Okay, cut the cake. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, both of you.
Both of you, yes. Malunggay, ayan, manapakataas. Mamaya lang kalbo mo. Eto, oh, kumuha ka na. Kumuha ka na, oh. Mababa lang naman. It's summer camp daw. Oh, ayan, we're going home. We're going home. Yay! Going home, guys. So, ayan. Sunod-sunod na kami niyan. Uuwi na kami. Yeah. Sabi, okay. Okay na daw. Ayan, may grandma. Bukas na. May? Ayan, may wall na pala dito. Ano to eh? Di ba? Ano ba? Oo, minan yung mga lumaki na pala. No? Matagal na itong kabila pero may dugtong pa. May Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video that I am going to upload very soon. Have a great day and see you on my next video. Bye for now.